is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. Y'all know the vibe. We need to gas up. It's GVO. It is out here. Look how many riders, dude. There's got to be at least 1,000, 2,000 riders out here. Who paid?
Yo, as you can see, I gave him the $5, but to be honest, I don't even know if he's the one who paid for the gas tank. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna give it to whoever's closest to the tank, and yeah, luckily everything worked out, and I'm pretty sure he was the one who paid for the gas. But as you can see, I'm trying to stretch the pump and it won't fit, dog. And then finally I moved my bike up and get her in.
So sketchy, bro. I'm like freaking out.
But yeah, as you can see, this whole situation, you know, it's always a little gnarly, and I'm a little sketched out, and the jitters are going.
All right, we got my gas. Freaking, dude, it is crazy, bro. Like, look at everyone getting gas around here. Let's go, bro. 23. That's it. Hey, whoa. It's skinnier. It feels good. Damn, hell yeah, bro. Damn, that's a 23 YZ 450. I look, you want to get a drink. You need a drink? You need a drink? A drink. Hey, can you watch my bike? Over here. Stop, flip, Coco. I was about to get goddamn water too. I don't know if he's coming for us. I don't think he's coming, bro. Yes, sir. Bro, that's what I'm saying. It's good vibes. So yeah, we all just gassed up. You've seen that but he ain't even coming, bro. Get thirsty. Sheesh. We're at like a baseball field or something. Homie's mad. Go. Bro, look at everyone. I bet. I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. Hey, say something. Say something to the gang. Say something to the camera. Look out! Oh, it's overheated. His bike is overheating, bro. Yo, we really outside in the community right now. You feel me? We are in the community. Let's go! That mini worked! Yo, that's crazy. On the mini, dog. Yo, that thing is powerful. It just holds up there. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get gas somewhere real quick. Got some MotoBroo fans. Let's get it. Oh, that freaking purple Supermoto. Shit look clean, bro. Yo, look at the line. This is, everyone got to get freaking gas. And look at the line it is to get to the pump. Damn, I'm glad I got there when I did, dude. bikes protect them. Hopefully the bikes protect them. All right, we're at another gas station. It's getting a little hectic, bro. We got the chopper on us right now. You already know we got Popo on us, but the pack is so big that they can't do anything. It smells like race gas. You good? No, I'm good, I'm good. The hopper, bro. Scared.
So many cops, bro.
There's a lot of back there?
Dude, there's like 20 of them, bro.
20?
Cops.
No.
Dude, all my life. Chopper, bro.
Oh my. Hey, let me know when you dip. Look at all the riders, dog. Oh my. Oh, bro, look. Oh my balls, bro. Do y'all see that? Yo, look at everyone just flossing by, bro. Let's go. Oh my. I ain't gonna lie, my heart is beating, bro. My heart, I ain't gonna lie with y'all, I'm a little nervous, bro. I am a little nervous. There's just so much going on that I'm like, I'm trying to compute everything that's going on at once, and my brain can't compute it, if you feel me. I need AI or some dog. You rode this all the way? You're crazy, bro. You fell? What happened?
Oh man, everybody got one bike today.
I know. Okay. Look at everyone just coming through, bro. One after another. All types of bikes. Sport bikes, quads, dirt bikes.